Hello, technical friends. Welcome back to TopPick Reviews, where we thoroughly review the best carpentry tools in their class. Today, we will enter the blue zone, which has become the standard in the construction world, namely Makita. We will dissect 11 of Makita's most sought-after products this year, from the legendary Plunge saw to the very practical Cordless multi-tool. If you are looking for a tool with high durability and maximum comfort while working, this video is a complete guide for you. Let's dissect them one by one.
Deliver high-level cutting precision with the Makita SP6000J. This plunge saw is powered by a 12-amp motor that is capable of providing smooth, mirror-like cuts without splinters. Equipped with electronic speed control, the blade rotation remains stable even under heavy loads. The variable speed feature allows you to adjust the speed according to the material, making it the main choice for professionals who prioritize accuracy and perfect finishing quality. The Makita RT0701CX7 is a compact router with a high performance of 1 1/4 HP. The smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system makes it easy to achieve very precise settings. The slim and ergonomic aluminum body design provides exceptional comfort when working with wood details. Equipped with electronic speed control to maintain a constant rotation speed, this tool is ready to handle even the most complex wood profiles.
Dust-free and cordless with the Makita XIIW Random Orbit Sander, this sander has 3 speed settings up to 11,000 OPM for faster and more efficient material removal. 1/8-inch random orbit action ensures a smooth, swirl-free finish. One-touch electronic control makes it easy to switch speed modes. Provides maximum mobility for wood finishing work anywhere without the hassle of cords.
The Makita LS1019L offers exceptional cutting capacity in a very compact design. Its innovative 2-rail sliding system allows it to be mounted on a wall, saving significant space in your workshop. Equipped with laser technology for dead-on cutting accuracy, this saw is capable of cutting crowns with a capacity equivalent to a 12-inch saw. The smart choice for construction and interior work that requires high precision. For heavy sanding work, the Makita 9903 is the mainstay. Powered by a powerful 8.8-amp motor, this machine has an automatic belt tracking system so you don't have to bother with manual adjustments. Its innovative design allows you to sand into the corners of walls with the front or side of the tool. With a noise level of only 85 decibels, this tool works quieter but is still very effective for leveling rough wood surfaces. Makita XIIW03Z is a 1/3 sheet finishing type sander that already supports the AWS system for wireless connection to a vacuum cleaner. Its brushless motor provides 3 speed options for optimal material control. Strategic battery placement above the tool helps reduce vibration and ensures perfectly flat surface results. Ergonomic and lightweight, this tool is designed for operator comfort in long-term finishing work. Need to sand in a very tight gap? This mini belt sander from XIIW is the solution. Fully compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it features a sanding arm that can rotate up to 100 degrees to reach the most difficult corners. Its brushless motor offers 6 adjustable speeds for wood or metal. It is ideal for detail work, weld cleaning, or engraving in limited spaces. Leave the compressor and air hose behind with the Makita XNB03Z framing nailer. This nailer can fire up to 1,000 nails on a single battery charge. It features a 2-mode selector for sequential firing or rapid bump fire. The tool-free depth adjustment feature makes it easy to set nails flush with the wood surface. It is powerful enough for even the densest construction wood. The Makita BO6050J provides exceptional flexibility with 2 operating modes, regular random orbit and forced rotation mode for rough work.
The 7/32 orbit diameter ensures a streak-free finish in no time. The barrel grip and side handle design provide steady, stable control when handling heavy workloads. Tool-free sanding pad replacement speeds up your professional workflow in the workshop.
Break through work barriers with the Makita XIIW reciprocating saw. Its variable motor delivers speeds up to 2,800 strokes per minute with a 1 1/4 inch stroke length for incredibly fast cuts. The toolless blade change system allows for quick field changes without touching hot parts. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, 3.7 kilograms, this saw is ergonomic and reduces hand fatigue during demolition or pipe cutting.
Tackle a variety of difficult work details with the Makita 18V LXT multi-tool. This versatile tool has a 3.2-degree oscillation angle designed for more aggressive and fast cutting and sanding. With variable speed control up to 20,000 OPM, you can match the tool's power to the material being worked. The slim barrel handle design of only 2 3/8 inches ensures very easy and comfortable control. Equipped with adapters for a variety of competitor accessories, this tool is a one-size-fits-all solution on your project site.
There you have it, a list of 11 Makita tools ready to elevate your work to a professional level. The quality of the materials and the innovation of the LXT cordless drill have consistently made Makita a favorite on project sites and in private workshops. From the list above, which one would you most like to add to your tool collection? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your picks. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your fellow craftspeople, and be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell on the TopPick Reviews channel so you don't miss the next quality tool review. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video review.